Hello everyone, Giovanni, Hardscape.com. We have just finished with the installation of the polymeric sand. You guys seen us doing every single part of the installation. And we hope that the videos that we showed before were helpful. This is the end result. Product is drying. The good thing about our porcelain is when you use our 6x12, you're gonna have a lot of joints. Some of the sand you may see that is stubborn sits on top of the porcelain. Well, the beauty about our polymeric sand is that the polymers are not with it. So they're not gonna stick to the porcelain. You'll be able just to blow it off once it dries. The polymers are sitting all the way down. They don't come up. So the only thing that you might see on top of it, it's a little bit of that sand. In this case, we have some black sand in a few areas. You know, I'll show you like here. I don't know if you can see it in there, but this comes right out as soon as it dries. You go ahead and you blow it up and it comes right out because it's just sand. Well, actually, it's not really the sand, it's the aggregate. In this instance, our black polymeric sand is made with granite, black granite. And that's what you see, but that's the end result. Our polymeric sand has been installed. We are now just waiting for it to dry. 24 hours, you can drive on it. We ask that you stay 48 hours just to be safe, especially on the large formats. 48 hours is what is required before you can drive over the driveway. 24 hours for walking traffic should be okay on a pool deck. And this is it, guys. Our Pietra Lavica sand with our basalt borders and the installation of our hardscape sand in the black color. Have a great day.